Today, I'm going to show you how to replace this door. It's broken after 10 years. If you have this problem, I will show you how to replace it. So you open the fuel cap door, you have a hard time opening it, and then you see the hinge is broken. You see that hinge right there? This thin metal just broke off. I tried to use a bungee cord to tie it all together, but it didn't work well. It wasn't a good temporary fix. So it's riveted in, so you just have to, drill out the rivet. Go online and look for this cover. I bought mine on Amazon. I was able to find it, and it actually made for my car, which was a Toyota Sienna in this case. So I found it, and it comes in black. It's not the color of my car. I mean, that's not a problem. I could always get it painted. So I got it installed. I wish I recorded the process, but I use these anchors instead of the rivet. I did try using a rivet, but rivets didn't work. See, they fit nice and tight. Only thing I worry though if it's waterproof or not, but so far I haven't had any issue. If I do, I'll just put 2 new ones if they start rusting. I tried different rivet, did not work. My apologies for not covering more footage, but I think you got the idea. If you like this, please share. If you don't like it, fine, at least leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching.